There are 7 continents of the world. How do you remember them? There a saying to remember these continents. Always eat an apple, says a nurse. Always eat an apple, says a nurse. Each sentence, the first letter of each word is a continent. How? So, first letter of each word is a continent. Remember, always Asia, Europe, Antarctica, Africa, South America, Australia, and North America. Now, how will you remember 7 continents of the world? Always eat an apple, says a nurse. Always Asia, eat Europe and Antarctica. Apple, Africa, says South America. Australia, nurse, North America. Okay? Asia, Europe, Antarctica, Africa, South America, Australia and North America.